Iran, a land forged between jagged mountains and silent deserts, a country often defined by headlines, geopolitics, conflict, sanctions, but rarely by the raw, untamed depth of its natural heart. What if I told you that beneath the politics lies a beauty so powerful, so unpredictable, that it feels almost dangerous? Welcome to Iran, the most dangerous beauty you've never seen. When most people think of Iran, they imagine endless sand dunes under an indifferent sun. But Iran's deserts are anything but barren. The Dasht Ilut, one of the hottest places on Earth, stretches like a white-hot furnace, wind-carved ridges sculpted by forces of nature over millennia, where temperatures climb and life clings by sheer will. Yet this hostile landscape holds a stark, surreal allure, the kind that makes you question the limits of beauty and danger at the same time. Venture north to the misty forests of Mazandaran, and you'll find one of the eeriest landscapes in the country, the Lake of Ghosts. Here, half-submerged tree skeletons reach skyward through silvery waters, their reflections twisting in the dawn fog, creating scenes that feel supernatural, a place where beauty flirts with the uncanny, and silence becomes its own threat. Further west, high above 2,400 meters, lies Gahar Lake, often called the Jewel of Oshtaranku. Crystal-clear waters mirror the sky, wedged between oak forests and towering peaks. Its beauty is pure, pristine, and dangerously isolated, reachable only by foot over rugged terrain. Adventure seekers will tell you, here, breathtaking beauty demands respect and caution. But Iran's beauty isn't just timeless, it can be shocking. On the remote shores of Hormuz Island, a rare natural spectacle has mesmerized the internet. Rain so heavy it turns the sea crimson, a phenomenon dubbed blood rain. This isn't a fiction, it's iron-rich soil washing into turquoise waters, turning the waves into a surreal sea of red, a vivid reminder of how nature can astonish and unsettle. And yet, Iran's danger isn't confined to nature alone. History stains the ground beneath your feet. The desert citadel of Bam, once a pinnacle of Persian civilization, now stands as a reminder of catastrophic earthquake destruction, a heritage site forever marked as in danger. Its walls are crumbling, fragile ghosts of history, whispering of lives lost and ancient worlds undone. In the urban sprawl of Tehran, beneath the buzz of traffic and neon reflections, another kind of danger lurks: environmental. Iran is currently grappling with one of the most severe water crises in its history, driven by drought, over-extraction, and climate change. Once vibrant lakes like Lake Urmia, among the largest saltwater lakes in the region, have receded to near disappearance, transforming landscapes into cracked salt plains. Its beauty turned apocalyptic, and a warning of the fragility of this land. But amidst these raw forces, heat and drought, fog and water loss, stone and wind, Iran remains breathtaking. From the pink-tiled mosques of Shiraz and Isfahan to the snow-topped peaks of the Alborz range, this is a land where beauty and danger walk hand in hand, a place that defies stereotypes and demands to be experienced beyond the headlines. This is Iran, a world of wonder, of risk, of wonder built upon risk. The kind of beauty that makes your heart race, your breath catch, and your mind question what's truly possible. A beauty you've never seen until now.